Okay. My homeboy do the rooming houses. What you call them? Rooming board? What you call them? Rooming houses?
I call it
Transitional living or something like that. Oh, this is what you need it for over here. Transitional housing. You rent out rooms basically. It's just another income hack. Really? I would help you, but I'm recording. So Roddy gonna show us how he got the room set up. Batteries. It's real nice in here.
living room turned into bedroom.
Okay. Yeah, I need a door. Ain't no light. Oh man, you gotta put a light in here.
Living room.
You turn this into a bedroom. Boom.
Yeah.
This
one,
one?
two,
This
three,
one?
four.
Yeah, so this was part of the living room too?
That's these are real bedrooms.
Well, one of them was the kitchen.
These real bedrooms.
Okay, so they boom.
Bedroom turn, living room turn bedroom.
Okay.
The upstairs.
And it's the upstairs. Okay, bungalow.
Bungalow.
Boom. Oh, okay, here go the kitchen. Bathroom. It's real cute. Real basic.
Little notes that people leave so that other people can see.
Please throw away your trash and garbage cans instead of the side of the house. Spiders, bugs get cold too. Okay. There's some logic in there. Man. This is like storage or whatever.
No, 4, 5.
Somebody be rapping.
4, 5, 1, 5, 6.
Oh, okay.
Storage. It's extra space.
Okay. So 4, 5, 6. Oh, this is the laundry area. Oh, okay. And you got cable. Oh, internet.
And I just got another cable box too upstairs. I went and got another one because they said that one garbage.
With the cable or whatever it is? Huh. Look at you.
Yep. Huh?
I said good to see you, Mark.
Yes, sir. Same with you.
going
You
on?
all right, Vic? That's what I should have.
So big dog, how much you charge a room?
Roughly 500.
Each per room? You say how many?
Yeah, but I charge from 450 to 550, depending on the basement, the main floor, or the upstairs.
So,
But I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up to 500 for the basement, 525 for the main floor, and 550 for the upstairs.
and they include like that. They don't pay nothing but just the rent, right? Like they don't pay no water or nothing like that.
No, I pay all of that.
And the gas, electrical, and the cable included. Or whatever?
No cable, but I just provided Wi-Fi, so.
Oh, bless your heart.
Yeah, I was trying to put that expense on one of them, but.
What is it, $50 a month?
Yeah.
Oh, ain't that bad. Yeah, wait, one. You said 2 in the basement, and you got 3. So what's that? 3, 4, 5, 6 total.
6, yeah.
Oh yeah, I gotta give me one.
I could have possibly did 7 on this new one. Could have possibly did 7. I'm just gonna do 6. Just keep it simple. Keep everything the same.
Okay. We're going to the one with the second one with the people in it, or the one you working on?
And we can go to either one. For you, call which one, because we're gonna go to both.
Whichever closest.
I can hit the other one that I'm working on.
All right. Cool.
It's just for the little value of the house.
Yeah, that.
Impossible storage.
Yeah, that's always gonna be 10, 15,000 value. Yeah, I can do.
He offered metro shit.
Yeah, that's what I do. Just give me a 10. Just give me 20% cut. Lord.
So it's the same concept as the last one. Same concept. Living room. upstairs. 3. I painted the floor in here yesterday. Put a lot of foam stuff on there. It came out ugly, but I want to pull the carpet up out of here.
Oh, you about to put a carpet?
No, I pulled the carpet up out of here and I painted the floor, but I did a lot of foam stuff.
I see.
So it's the only room that's available at this time.
Oh, so you, oh, it ain't, okay. So you about to
But I
rent
offer
out.
beds and stuff if they need it. Beds
Oh, for
and
real?
dressers. Yeah. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, same concept as the other one.
So ain't no upstairs? Nope.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is
bungalow.
upstairs.
Okay, right there. All right.
Upstairs right there. Room 5.
5. Room 6. What's that?
This is. I don't see the lights anymore. I don't see the lights anymore. But it's definitely a bathroom.
Oh,
It's
bad.
always a bathroom in the basement.
Okay.
People with refrigerators. They own the refrigerator.
Uh-huh.
Washer, dryer. This one has a sink.
See. That's a cute little sink.
Yeah.
All right. Spray, what's that? The dry fall? The black.
It's just regular flat paint.
Oh, okay.
It ain't even dry for.
Ooh, it's cold. Yeah, that.
Come back another time when I'm here.
So this one ain't got no tenants yet. Oh, this your driver over here.
Yeah, we go in the front.
Okay.
So
This one look bigger than the other two.
this is the one that's being put together. So here we go.
So this was
This is the living room. This
was
is
the living
going
room.
to
So
be.
you framing it out now.
Yeah.
Still open. Yeah.
This gonna be a bedroom.
Okay.
We took this little space and I asked him about a closet. We just gonna make a little cubby hole closet out of this one.
Okay.
Cause some of them don't got closets.
That's the that's the door.
All the rooms. All the rooms.
These rooms look bigger. And it's nice and cozy. Toasty.
Yeah, well, I got a 5 burner.
So
down
what
there.
you doing with the floor? You keeping it wood or you
We
carpeting it?
painting it and putting some poly on top of the paint.
Okay. So that's 1, 2. What's that? 1, 2. This is 3. Okay.
So it's gonna be everything gonna be the same. It's gonna be four rooms, right, boom, 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 right by each other.
I mean that's the bungalow.
1 and 2, yeah, and this upstairs. Pull the carpet up.
You keeping it carpet or you?
No, I ain't doing carpet no more. I learned my lesson.
Yeah, they be dirtying it up.
Pull the carpet up. So they retouched up the paint, repainted this all to gray. It was blue on those 2 walls, so they painted it gray. Put the blinds up. They're gonna fix a couple of ceiling pieces, and we're gonna paint this floor.
So what you charge for the upstairs? Is it
This will
more?
be a 550.
So it's more than the other ones then, right? This the most expensive one. The upstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got the biggest room.
Yeah. This one don't got no closet, but you got a lot of space.
Yeah, you got a lot of space. Do the loft look. This one got a basement, right? Yeah. Yeah, they do. Off the kitchen, I remember.
New vanity. I put that window in. They gotta fix all of that. I'm gonna have put the the diverter, the one hand knob for the tub.
Okay.
You have them do that. I was telling you about that, I think, one time.
Yeah.
All the locks on the doors. Now, they just put this up last night.
Oh, okay.
This wasn't up yesterday.
He moving fast.
So we utilize that little cubby hole space instead of just leaving it this dead space right here. We utilize that in there, like a little closet section.
This is the kitchen. Okay.
Kitchen's over here. So in here I ain't gonna really do too much. I might stain or paint the cabinets. This floor I was questioning about should I leave it. I might leave it and just kind of clean it a little bit. Once you put the stove and refrigerator in here, it's gonna cover most of it.
Right.
So, they ain't got down here. They ain't got working down here yet. But this is what's gonna happen down here. They might have painted the walls though.
I'm about to say the walls look new. The paint.
Must have painted the walls. So over here we're gonna put a toilet in the sink.
Okay.
Toilet in the sink gonna go over here. Here, and they're gonna put a door up right here. Washer and dryer. We're gonna come over here. This is gonna be a room. We're gonna check this. We're gonna close this off. We ain't gonna come to the door right here. We're gonna close it off. We're gonna come around here. Come around here and make the entrance to the room this way.
Okay.
This one already came with a little mini closet, so that's perfect. You ain't got to build one.
Oh, this look new.
Yeah, that was 350.
Oh, that's the one you said was 350? That's a nice one.
Same window and stuff. We're gonna come over here. Put up a wall. Door. This gonna be a room. This one already come with another closet as well. So these basement joints gonna have closets. Big one.
Oh, okay.
So these joints gonna be 500.
500 each for the room?
For the basement.
Okay.
So the 450 gonna be 5.
This baby
Still gonna get paid. Somebody got their little workout bar here. I'm about to scratch it down though.
don't hurt yourself.
Huh?
Don't hurt yourself.
Yeah. Trying to knock that down. That's nice, creative. Black ceilings, gray floor.
This basement look a little bigger.
Well, actually, I was considering
This whole area, make it.
trying to squeeze another room right here.
Oh.
I was considering it, but I ain't gonna crowd it up because, like you said, the other house, people have abundance of stuff, so they can use this as storage, this space. So I ain't gonna crowd it. Keep it just like it is.
Right.
But I understand the 6 room. I have a 6-room house. Concept down for a teach.
Oh.
Huh?
How much you pay for the house?
30.
30 ball. 30. That's not bad. And what you end up putting into it once you get all the rooms done?
So I'm gonna be in at 45.
Oh, that ain't bad.
I'm gonna be in at 45, but it's gonna be designed how I need it to be.
You said 45.
And I'm still gonna put a roof on too.
Oh, it need a roof?
It don't need a roof. I mean, it ain't cute, but it ain't leaking.
This nigga said it ain't cute.
But in that price, I think I got a roof. I think I got the roof included. And you can, yeah. You'll have like 70-80% back in a year if you was to save your money.
Right.
But I spend mine
on more houses. And tricking. No, I'm joking.
I'm trying to get that in the budget.
You trying to get tricking in the budget? Ah, man.